Hey everybody, this is Bob and the gang from Monster Rack. We're here today to showcase our material handling solution roll media rack. I'm going to go over each feature of the Monster Rack with you now. The Monster Rack is constructed from 100% steel frame construction that's powder coated. Monster Rack has a full bottom shelf storage. Monster Rack features 6 dual swivel pack casters. Look at these casters. Each caster is load rated to support 2,400 pounds, so the Monster Rack will throw whatever you throw at it. Your Monster Rack is also equipped with heavy-duty roll shafts, an option for medium-duty roll shafts, and a Monster Rack exclusive, what I call an Outrigger shaft, which I'll demonstrate to you in just a sec. The Monster Rack also has the ability to take flat sheet storage. That's right, you can take boxed media storage on this rack or full pallet storage of 4x8 and 5x10 flat sheet storage on the bottom of a Monster Rack. The Monster Rack has an exclusive feature, the ability to be able to hold 20 10-foot wide full rolls in the dropouts, plus the ability to take another 4 rolls of storage on the bed of the rack. And I'm going to repeat that. A Monster Rack can hold 20 full-size rolls of media in the dropouts, plus another 4 on the bed of the rack. And with the rolls being in the dropouts, the Monster Rack features suspended rolls, no flat spots. The Monster Rack is also load rated for 6,000 pounds, so it'll take whatever freight you throw at it. And the most important feature exclusive feature on the Monster Rack is what I call an Outrigger shaft. I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. I've devised a way for your operators to be safely away from the nip points in the dropouts while loading media by using the exclusive feature Outrigger shaft. Your operator simply loads the Outrigger shaft into your desired roll and safely moves the roll in and out of the rack away from the nip points in the dropout. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. My name is Bob Miller. The company name is Multiprint. We're located in Charlotte, North Carolina. The telephone number is 704-335-4036. Thanks for watching the Monster Rack video.